Oh, just see here. Stay here. What happened? Don't cry here. No victim mode. Come here, Karen. Well, you're crying. That's what happened. You guys are living in a Roblox. Sensitive. When it comes to the real life, sensitive. You chat with people. Nobody understand. And those people giving you the sympathy, but the wrong people to get sympathy from. They're one of those evil things that they pretend to be your friends, but really they don't care about your well-being. These people doesn't even give you money or food, but you guys try to believe these people. So that's why I don't like any chat. This just temporary people. Julene, you read here downstairs. Ba't di nyo kasi binilan yung isa? Pag bibilan nyo na silang lahat, bibilan nyo. Nilalaro naman niya yung maliit. Siyempre lang nga namang napaka-demanding naman niya maliit eh. Si Jade lang nakapo nag-Nintendo nung tinawag niya. Julene! You sit there and read your book. No, you don't like her earlier. No. No, she doesn't like now. Gilana, she doesn't want to. Come here. No. No. No, you let her go earlier. No, Julene, don't come. Nope. Julene is not gonna come. Julene doesn't wanna do it.